Skallagrimsson. That's a man's name, yes. Egill Skallagrimsson. Who was he? Egill Skallagrimsson was our greatest Viking and our greatest drinker ever. He had drinking problem already when he was 3 years old. No wonder they named the brewery after him. But he was not only a great drinker and a great Viking, he's also our greatest poet. Maybe more about Egill Skallagrimsson later on. But coming up in front of us and then on our left hand side, another green area where they have made a golf course. Golf is very popular in this country, and in the city and around it we have 10, 18 holes golf courses. And finally they have stopped playing since it started snowing. But in the summer they play 24 hours a day on the golf courses here.